Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove paragraph symbols in Outlook. So as you can see, right now I have the new email window opened and I have here the paragraph symbols. So let me show you something, like right here, thank you for watching, for example. And if you want to just remove the paragraph symbols, what you're gonna do is to go to the format text, and here is the icon of the paragraph. So you just want to unclick it and make sure it's not clicked. If you have like a simplified ribbon, maybe you can't see it right here. So what you're gonna do is just, or maybe you don't have the ribbon at all, like maybe show tabs only. So what you're gonna do is to click format text or everywhere and just click classic ribbon and also the always show ribbon. So make sure that these two are selected, then again format text and just unclick it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!